Hello, in front of me I've got Logitech PRO X2 Superstrike. In this video I'll show you how to enable and what is G Shift. G Shift is additional layer of functions for your buttons. To enable it, let's go to Logitech G HUB, Assignments and select G Shift. Now you can set up new functions for each button. For example, open magnifier for middle click. Now, when you enable G Shift, this function will be also enabled. And that's basically it. If you found this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.